Your fucking is none of my business. Did I ever say it was? Lucky man. Just Mark, kung may nangyayari sa inyo, if you guys are fucking, he's a very, very lucky man. Pero sana lang, sikswerte ko siya.
Putang ina mo.
Huwag mo naman ako mamurahin.
Putang ina mo, putang ina mo, putang ina mo, putang ina mo!
Putang ina ka!
Fuck you.
Not tonight. Dahil pang bisita. No fucking tonight. It's a joke! Nicole! Wala na ba tayong mapag-usapan ng normal na maayos?
We have nothing to talk about.
Sa tingin mo talaga, ang dami mong alam sa akin, ano?
You know what, for once, you're actually right, pa. I know everything about you. Every fucking thing.
Wala bang birthday kiss?